This is the last second derivative problem. I just did this, but recording never saved, so I have to start again. But when I did this problem just now, I noticed that this problem is a special one because we have to use the product rule twice. Yes, I think you're going to like this. It's going to take about 10 minutes. All right, so find the second derivative of W with respect to Z. And if you look at W already, W is a product. W is 3Z squared. Maybe I'll just write the Z this way. Squared times EZ, e to the Z's power. So I'm going to put a little tick mark because my Z looks like 2. But this is a product, as you can see. So we're going to start doing the product rule first, okay? So I've been labeling all my pieces so far, but maybe this time I will not do that. If I do the product rule, I need to do first times the derivative of the second. And what is the derivative of e to the Z's power? It's just itself. So I did the first times the derivative of the second plus the second times. The second is e to the Z. The derivative of the first, which is 6Z. Okay? So I think you guys are probably okay with doing the product rule in your head. And I'm okay with that. All right, now let's factor out the EZ to the front. Okay, and as you can, I think I agree with you. We can factor out the 3 and but I'll just go ahead and factor out the Z term. E to the Z out. And I have 3Z squared plus 6Z inside. I know I can factor out more, but I like it this way because now I am about to do the second derivative, okay? So this is the first derivative of, okay? But now let's find the second derivative using the product rule again. But I guess for this one, I'll write down the product rule pieces. Product rule. The first product rule, I did it in my head, just in a single line. But I do want to write this one down. F is easy. Well, guess what? Then F prime is also e to the Z. Well, G is 3Z squared plus 6Z. That means G prime is 6Z plus 6, isn't it? Okay, so let's find the W double prime, okay? W double prime. So what is the second W, the derivative of W with respect to Z? We need to do the product rule. I need to do first times the derivative of the second. 6Z plus 6. Okay? And I need to do plus second times 3Z squared plus 6Z. Oh, this work needs to move to the right. The derivative of the first now. And the derivative of the first is e to the Z. We're almost done, so I just want to finish this. And as you can see, we can factor out EZ out again. If I do that, e to the Z is in front of my polynomial or whatever this is. And inside I will have 6Z plus 6 plus 3Z squared plus 6Z. And I can see some like terms that we can simplify. I can write this in standard form, bring the square term first. But notice there is 6Z and 6Z. If I add them together, I will get 12Z plus 6. And I may even be able to factor out the 3 because you want cake? Okay, hold on. All of these are divisible by 3. Shh, hold on, I'm almost done. I gotta go get some cake for that little boy. So here's the answer for you guys. Okay, hold on. The boy wants his cake. But that is how I will probably just factor out the 3. And I'm looking at the trinomial, that can't go down any further. But that will be it for this problem. So, see, I wish I finished this in class with you guys so that we can have like a nice conversation about it. instead of this crazy mess. But I hope this was helpful. If you guys see any other fun second derivative problems in your homework, email me a link to it. I did set up your homework this time so that you guys can directly send me the link to the homework problem. So if you send me something, I will go over those for you. I hope this was helpful. I'm sorry it was a little crazy in the background.